In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some wall decor stickers using Koala's white sublimation sticker paper. So if you want to see how to do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos. Did that even come out right? I do sublimation and sewing videos. So if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family. Make sure to check out my website at sewpresscreate.com. And let's just jump into this video. We're going to start off by dragging our design into Cricut and saving it as a flat graphic, uploading it onto our canvas, and then creating offsets. You can change the size of the offset. I like to make it smaller and then change that to the color white. Then select both layers and flatten it. Press Make, Send to Printer, use System Dialog, and then minimize your screen and your printer settings will pop up. Press Save as a PDF. Make sure you mirror it and print as you normally would. I have a Sawgrass, so I'm using my print manager to print mine. For this project, we're going to be using the Koala White Sublimation sticker paper. I'm excited about this. I've tried the clear one before. This is the white glossy. I'll have it linked down below in the description. We're going to need some heat tape like always. We're going to need some heat gloves, butcher paper, and our design. I'm going to be doing these cute stickers for my daughter. I'm going to put them on her wall. So let's get started. So we're going to get our sticker paper. The sticker paper has a shiny side and then it has a more matte side, which is your backing. So the shiny side is the side you're going to be subbing on. You want to make sure there's no dust on it. Then you want to take your sublimation paper with your design facing down. Remember that you should have mirrored your design so that when you flip it over, it's going to be on the right side. So you're going to flip it down and just line it up. And then take your heat tape and tape down your sublimation paper to your sticker paper. And you really don't need too many. You can just put one piece of tape on each side. And now this is ready to go to our heat press. Okay, so we're gonna start off by putting some butcher paper down and get our sticker paper. We want the backing of our sticker paper to be facing down and our sublimation paper facing up. Then we're going to get some butcher paper and we're going to put that on top. And then we're going to press at 370 degrees for 40 seconds. You want to get your heat gloves, take off that butcher paper and throw that away. You don't want to reuse that. You want to flip it over and peel off your tape. You can probably just do 2 and that would be nice. That make it easier. And then just peel it off. And this is how much ink release we had, which is really good ink release. And then this is how they look. If you're worried, you see how mine has some of this white stuff? Don't worry. Like that is going to come off. I promise it's just from the paper. So if you were to take some water, like a baby wipe or something, and wipe that, it's gonna come off and it's not gonna affect the sticker at all. And I'm just gonna repeat that for all of my designs. Now that we have sublimated our design, we're gonna get our sticker paper and we're gonna stick it onto our mat. And because I have some of this paper residue here on my marks, I'm going to clean that. Because if I don't, I have found that it's just gonna mess with my Cricut cutting it. So I'm just gonna clean that and I'm gonna let that dry. I'm also going to get some painter's tape because my mat needs to be cleaned and I don't want this to come off of the mat as it's cutting. So now this is ready to go to the Cricut. I'm using the setting washi sheet to cut out my stickers. You can also cut them by hand. So the stickers came out so cute. They're very vibrant. The colors are poppin'. And my daughter is going to love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's some things I learned doing this. This time I decided to mirror it before printing it out. Don't do that. Don't do that. It somehow just changed everything. Leave it all the same and then mirror it when you're going to print on the sublimation and like through your printer. That caused my Cricut to just cut kind of funny, and I ended up cutting them by hand. Luckily these are a decent shape where it's not a big deal to cut them by hand, but I wanted to try something different. It didn't work. Don't do as I did. But they are super cute. I have the clear ones and I really like the white ones. If you have a sticker business, these would be amazing. I like that they're glossy, but they're not overly glossy, if you know what I mean. Colors are popping. I actually really do like these. I'll have them linked down below. You can do so much with these. You can put these on your wall. You can use them as regular stickers. You can put them on wrapping paper. You can use them as name tags for Christmas gifts, birthday gifts. There's so many different things that you can do with this sticker paper. So I'll have it linked down below. Check it out. You can get 12% off by using Leslie at the A-Sub and Koala website, which I'll have all the information down below. So make sure you use my discount code because we all want to save money. Am I right? I'm right. Okay. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel, always being here. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Let me know down below anything that you would want me to make a video on, whether it's sewing or sublimation. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.